You know, I was thinking about the last video and I forgot a couple things here when I talk about the spiritual battle and your part in it. No alcohol. Sorry. Maybe on occasion, like celebrating a wedding, or birthday, or anniversary. I'm fine. Cigarettes, no. And here's the thing I forgot: pills. Oh yeah, pharmaceuticals. Shh. Yes. No. Big fucking no. That's like Satan's fucking tool chest, right? So that's one thing I forgot in the last video. Besides, it's important to not fuck people that you don't love. I mean, romantically, by the way. And if you're a romantic, oh, you're gonna love my channel. I seep romanticism. Look, I do poetry. Come on now, art.